Welcome to everyone. Good morning. Today we are going to study about troublesome problem. As we have discussed earlier in trouble verb, preposition and everything. Today the word migrate versus immigrate. Migrate and immigrate. Immigrate to leave one's country for residence is another. Example, I migrate from home country. To immigrate, to come into a country of which one is not a native. Example, the person arrived in new country is an immigrant. Means IAAMIGRATE. It means what? Who is a stranger? Who is playing the role of stranger? A council is an assembly or a group that meets for deliberation. I can only be used as a noun. Example, a council of teachers considered his case. Council is a noun that means to advise or delivering together. Example, he accepted the counsel for his country, for his mother, for his town, for his own city. As for example, note that counsel can also be used as a verb, as in I am counseling my friend, while counsel you can only be used as a noun. Principal as an adjective means main, chief, leading, mukhya admi, or it's as a noun. Principal means a leader, a head, or some placed as an interest, who takes an example and responsibility for all the societies, for the responsible person. The bus has its principal means transportation. Principal of the school was the new. प्रिंसिपल का मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि वो स्कूल का ही प्रिंसिपल होगा. प्रिंसिपल एक घर का भी होता है. रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन, जिसके पास काफ़ी जिम्मेवारी और जवाबदेही हो, उसका एग्जाम्पल है प्रिंसिपल. प्रिंसिपल मीन्स अ रूल ऑफ एक्शन, अ मॉरल स्टैंडर्ड और अ फंडामेंटल ट्रूथ. एग्जाम्पल, द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट वॉज अंडरस्टूड बाई ऑल. Whether is a conjunction means is neither case. Example, to tell me whether you can considering your plan, our plan, or their plan. And the weather is a noun meaning a prevailing condition of atmosphere, mental or moral climate. Example, stormy. Weather is a coming. Weather is coming. Ali is a verb meaning to reduce the intensity, the list of the pracity of the contains. Ali is a noun meaning a narrow passive way. Example, there is an alley behind the building. Ali is a verb or a noun meaning to the country by adding some relationship, actually showing helpfulness of kinship. Allude is a verb meaning to make an indirect or passing reference. Example, the speaker, audience of the frame. Elude is a verb meaning to evade the escape from the something. Example, the swallowed atmosphere to reduce the enemy. ये सारे जो हैं अपने आप में यूज किए जाते हैं. All around is an adjective meaning investile or general. Example, he is in all the medicine. All around has the meaning of being all over the given area. Example, fire trees were all around the cabin. Alternate verb means to follow one another by turn. Example, please alter the cold passage. Alternate as a noun meaning a substitute or second for the another person. So, how to use and where to use is a best example for the correct use of troublesome word. So please understand. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.